This is a brief walkthrough of the Summer Reading 2020 registration at the Newberg Public Library and our new challenge summer reading log for all ages. You'll start here at newberglibrary.org. Click on Summer Reading for all ages. If you are a family working together or a teen or a child, register here using Reading Record. Enter each participant's information. You can choose an age from infant all the way to adult. Enter a phone number. If you don't have one you want to share, just enter zeros. We would just need 10 digits. But we would love to have an email address for you to share so that we can send you our weekly email newsletter from the library with mascot clues, literary quiz questions, book recommendations, and more. And then just please tell us your summer reading hopes. We would love to know what you would like to get out of summer reading this year. And register. Success! You can register other participants here, or you can go straight back to the site to download your challenge log. And you can find it here in English or in Spanish. If you are an individual adult working by yourself, no registration is needed. Just print or download a log and get started. And here is our summer challenge for everyone this summer. You'll find that it's a fillable PDF if you'd like to fill it out right on your screen. Or you can print it off, fill it out by hand, or pick up a copy in person at the library during open hours. We've got a genre challenge where you'll read or listen to 2 or more genres per person. We've got all kinds of great activities, and you'll complete 2 per person for each box. And we have a digital challenge where you'll also complete at least 2 together below. This includes our mascot search and our weekly literary quiz. The reading challenge is over here to the right, and you will set your own goal and choose to log by days, books, or minutes. Each rectangle equals 1 day, 1 book, or 20 minutes. Do you want to read a book each day, a book each week, 20 minutes a day, 2 days a week? You decide, or fill in all of the boxes if you want an extra challenge. Don't forget to fill out all of your information at the bottom so that we can enter you into our drawing or make sure you get your prizes. Family and teen logs will go to NPL programs at protonmail.com to earn a free book for each person at Chapters Books up to a $10 value for the first log submitted, courtesy of the Newberg Library Friends, Library Foundation of Newberg, and the State Library of Oregon. You can repeat the challenge for entries into an end-of-summer family and teen drawing. Individual adults will submit their logs to npladults at protonmail.com for the chance to win spectacular prizes in a separate end-of-summer drawing. And they can also repeat this challenge for additional entries. Or you can drop off your log in person at the library during open hours. Of course, summer wouldn't be quite the same without our summer reading mascot and literary quiz. You'll find that here too. The literary quiz page will tell you all about our quiz this year, and there will be new questions and answers posted each Wednesday. We have our summer reading sponsors for 2020 and our summer reading mascot.